Hello everyone, today I'm making potato salad, very plain potato salad, and we're gonna braai some lamb chops. Okay, I've got 1 kilogram of all-purpose potatoes here. You can use soft cooking potatoes as well. And it's cold water. I've peeled it and cut it into cubes. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. And then this is gonna boil until the potatoes are nice and soft. Okay, in the meantime, I've chopped up half an onion. You can put it in the food processor, and I'm just waiting on them. They went to go buy the green pepper. And here's my the chops. There you go. And then I'm gonna cut up the green pepper. I'm also gonna, okay guys, so now I'm gonna add the 4 eggs, hard-boiled eggs. I just do this with a spoon. You can cut it or grate it if you like. And this is Opa's favorite way of eating this potato salad. Plain and simple. You can add whatever you like to your potato salad, the way you make it. This is how we like it here in the house. Very simple. That's some green pepper, onion chopped up. Some mayonnaise. This is about half of this. And lots of dried parsley. And stir. I'll see if I need more mayonnaise. Looks like it. We also want dry potato salad. Wait. Okay. You come in. Chunks of egg, potatoes, and that is how I make my potato salad. Okay. And this goes in the fridge until we're ready to eat it. Easy peasy. Let me just show you guys. I put the lid on now. In the fridge, and when I come back I'll be frying the chops, putting some salt and pepper on. Yeah, that's all I'm going to put on, salt and pepper on the chops. And then when it's almost finished frying, I'm going to brush on some braai sauce. Okay, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm just waiting on the coals to go nice and gray. Let me show you. Here's the chops. I just put on salt and pepper. There's my braai sauce, very simple. Salt and pepper and a little olive oil. Let me show you. There we go. Oh, there the sun finally comes out. So when I'm finished braaiing, dished up for everyone, I'm going to hang up the washing, hopefully catch some more sun. Shoo, now the sun is really getting in it. Okay, there we go. Okay guys, so they're almost done. I'm going to take it off and rest the meat a bit, and then I'm going to dish up. Okay, so the coals are still nice and hot, and I don't want to waste it. I'm not braaiing anything else, so I've just put some sweet potato in some foil and jabbed it, of course, with a knife a number of times. Put in some butter, salt, pepper, and I'm going to put it on the coals when I take off the meat now. Okay guys, there's the meat resting. Here's the plate. There's some beetroot on there, pickled beetroot, some spinach, cucumber, and pawpaw. And here is the potato salad. Okay guys, there's the plate finishing claar. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back again with another video. Louis, I call Louis. And there it is. The guys are going to eat now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And there we go. Nice potato salad, lamb chops, and some salad. Love you guys. Bye. Guys, I'm back. I've just put together a little brunch for us. Shelly's here. My niece is coming. We're going to do some work and eat and enjoy each other. I'm getting visitors as well. So this is just your pawpaw, the melons, blueberries, and one strawberry. There was just one strawberry. And this I got at Woolies. And some couscous salad with lentils. There we go. And we're going to enjoy this now.